Youth Affairs PS Lillian Omollo and her 46 co-accused who are in court over the loss of millions of shillings at the NYS will spend 2 more weeks in jail.
This is after Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti pushed the date of the pre-trial case in the session skipped by Omollo due to what the court was told was poor health. The defense argued that the prosecution had failed to supply them with the necessary documentation, the list of witnesses, and the evidence it intended to use in the case.
Silas Apollo with more.
ACC number 10.
The fourth day in court for the suspects said to be behind the NYS theft. This time, to get direction on the date of the hearing of their case and the weight of evidence collected by the prosecution. But what began as a normal proceeding for the suspect soon turned into an exchange between their lawyers and those of the state. The result, a ruling handing the suspects what would become a prolonged stay in the cells. The defense lawyers put the prosecution to task over what they said was a select application of the rule of law.
A pre-trial conference, Your Honor, is a matter involving the prosecution and the defense. So, the fact that they tell you they are ready, irrespective of their knowing that they have not supplied us with documents, is a very serious issue.
In the dock was NYS Director General Richard Ndumbai, senior NYS officials, the Ngirita family, and a number of business people said to have benefited from the scam. In its submission before the court today, the defense has argued that theirs was a fight of the fundamental rights and freedoms of a fair hearing as enshrined in the Constitution. In its defense, the prosecution told the court that it had complied with the directive that ordered the release of the documents contrary to claims by the defense.
By Mr. Wahome's own admission, he has provided the court a copy. This is the handing over copy, which he has signed himself, which has 30 witness statements.
Magistrate Ogoti ordered the prosecution to supply the defense with the files not later than Tuesday next week. A new pre-trial date has been set for June 20th.
I will deliver my ruling on the 12th of June at 2 p.m. Parties to pick the relevant documents as from the 13th June 2018.
Another 3 suspects, Joseph Njoroge, an NYS official, and businessmen Anthony Wamiti and Peter Kimani, also took pleas of not guilty. The 3 had missed previous mentions and warrants of arrest issued against them. Omollo and Ndumbai and the 44 co-accused have been charged with 10 accounts of abuse of office and a conspiracy to commit economic crimes. Silas Apollo, NTV.